Welcome friends to a new vlog of Family's Fun. If you love the forest, the nature and outdoor play, then you'll love this video. One of the things we love to do as a family is to go out in the forest and just play. There is no structure to the day. We just enjoy playing with sticks, building tents, jumping on rocks, playing with leaves. There is so much fun to discover the nature, to explore, and just be creative with your play. And who doesn't love having a picnic out in the forest, inside the tent they've just built out of sticks? So this specific day, the boys came out with the idea of building a hiding place out of sticks and leaves and bringing some patches of grass just to make it a bit more comfortable. I love their creativity and the way they just went all around the forest to look for patches of grass to bring them back inside their hiding place. It was so beautiful to watch how their little minds can create such beautiful things.
Come on, drop party. Again, ține mai bine jos. Hai, Sami, stop. Fugi acolo. Hai. Hai. Go. Woohoo!
Dai la mama polițica.
Oh, ce sweet.
Go try to catch the bird. I love to play in the forest with my little brothers. If you loved the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!